So this connected to Firebase in general, this connected to our particular project, and what we want to do now is we want to actually connect to the particular kind of folder, our parent node in our Firebase project. So our parent node is called status there. So we want to connect to that fella, and the way that we do it is, I'm just going to throw in a comment here, create a connection to the folder, as I call it, because it really is called the parent node to the folder status. And to do that, so I'm actually going to shove this in a variable as well, the connection to it, or let me ignore that for the moment. So I'll go to Firebase, and in Firebase I'm going to say Firebase database dot ref, and I'm just going to leave that blank for a second. Now what this is saying is here, right, you want to reference a particular database in Firebase. Okay, you want to reference a particular database in there, and not alone do you want to do that, you want to reference a particular place in here, because of course you've already made your configurations with it. So it's called status there. So if I change that to put in comma / status / so that's going to look inside for me there now. Now if I can use this all the time that I want, but I'm going to shove that in a variable called current status. So I'm going to shove that in a variable there, and instead of dealing with all of this stuff, now my current status variable will act as a kind of variable, will act as a connection handler variable, if you like. Yeah. So once we've got that ready, what we want to do next now is we want to listen for data and start bringing it back onto our web page via JavaScript. So see you in the next video for that.